People kind of know the history of WebAssembly being something that was in the browser. For the most part, it was designed to operate within any language, but obviously it was important that it be able to interop with JavaScript. It's generic enough to interop with any language, but a lot of the early tooling that was built was just assuming that you're going to be loading and calling these modules from JavaScript. The thing that's kind of missing is really what I would call like an ABI layer. It's really the layer of how do you get data into it? How do you invoke functions? How do you get data out of it? A lot of the stuff that your compiler or your runtime in your language handles for you. And they're all things that are unique to your different target environments, your different languages. A lot of tooling is assuming that you're using JavaScript. And there are a lot of good tools, like Wasm BindGen is one, where if you use something like Rust, a lot of these tools work in C as well. It will kind of generate a bunch of code that generates the bindings between JavaScript and your Wasm module. In a way, XDism is like, okay, let's ignore that and we'll just kind of write our own that works with every language. We're kind of a generic universal ABI. And we also use some tricks to make it easy to add support for new languages